In this video, I will show you how to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram post. So let's say you have mistakenly added one random picture to a series of multiple picture posts. Here's what you're going to do to fix it. The first thing you're going to do is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner and then scroll down and seek your post. So here is it. Now, here's my random picture right here. So all you have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner. Now click on edit and then scroll up and you will see this icon right here, this trash can icon on the upper right. So you just have to click on that and then tap on delete. Now you won't be able to see the random picture anymore. So you just have to click on the check. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!